In this video, we're going to be looking at the various options available for using question sets on the Guerdon website. So first, let's go to the questions link on the left-hand side and choose a question set. Let's go with this multiple choice one. And if we click the options button on the right-hand side, we'll be presented with 5 options here. Let's look at the first one, assign to class. If we click this, we can choose from a list of our current classes. Let's go with English 8A. And because the question set was multiple choice, we can choose to do it as a real-time quiz. If all students are on computers, they can do it simultaneously, or as an asynchronous quiz, so students can do it at different times. Let's just choose asynchronous quiz. Then we have the assignment options, and we're just going to set a due date. Then click Submit. And as you'll see here, the EES Unit 1 to 10 Review Asynchronous Quiz has been added to the list of active assignments for this class. The next option in the list for this question set is Add to Teacher Group. So if we click this, then select a group from our list, you'll see the group resource has been added. So if we go to the Home tab and then go to Groups, select the group, then click on Resources, you'll see that the multiple choice question set has been added to this group. The third option for this question set is to generate a docx file. This option is not available to all question set types. It's only available for multiple choice based assignments. So since this is a multiple choice assignment, we can generate a docx file. And here is the docx file that was generated by the website. So as we'll see, we've got the title of the question set, a place for students to write their name, and also the score. And as you scroll down, you'll see each of the questions have been printed with the multiple choice options below them. The Generate docx file option is also available for reading comprehension type question sets. So if we click Generate docx here, we can save the file to our hard drive. And just like the multiple choice type question set, we have the title at the top, a space for students to enter their name, and then a score for all the multiple choice question results. First we have the reading passage, and then we have all the multiple choice questions placed below it. The next option in the list that is only available for multiple choice question set types is the Run Team Quiz option. So if we click this option, it will take us to the Team Quiz setup page, and we can start the quiz by clicking Start Quiz at the bottom left. And from here, we can start the questions. We can also set a time limit if we want, but this can be cancelled in the options. So from here, students or teams of students can call out the answer, and the teacher can take the answer and score them accordingly. So if we stop that question time and show the results, we'll see the answer. And if the team has answered correctly, you can add a point by going to the chevron buttons on either side of the team score. The final option in the options list is to run a thwart game. Again, this is only available for multiple choice question set types. So if we click this option, again we're going to be sent to a settings page, and let's just click Start Quiz at the bottom. And here we have a selection of cards with numbers on the front. Each team will choose a card by calling out a number. Let's say Team 1 chooses 9 first. And they're presented with one of the multiple choice questions. These are selected randomly when the game is started. The team can then call out their answer, and we can show the answer. And if they have answered correctly, they will receive the score that's on the back of the card. So this one is steal 10 points, and they can choose which team to steal from. Let's say Team 3. Then we go to the next team for them to choose a card. So let's say card 12. And here again, they call out the answer, show the answer, and then say whether they answered correctly or not.